Welcome to Mahogany's Palace. My name is Queen, and I want to welcome you to the Queendom. As you come in, I want you to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell next to the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Don't forget to like. That way we can get flued out on YouTube's algorithm. Hit that like button, y'all. Also, leave me a comment down in the comment section below and share the video out so we can grow, okay? With that being said, today we're having a seafood boil, a small little boil, you know, just enough for me. This is from Ragin' Cajun. It's a local spot here in my city, okay? I want to thank you guys for coming and joining me. All the ones who've been here already, thank you. And for you newcomers, thank you as well. And I will hope that you hit that subscribe button, okay? So let's get started. I am hungry. I've been out all day, ripping and running and running and ripping. And now it's time to rip up some of these crab legs. You heard? Yes. I'm ready. Just lay them over there to the side. I got garlic butter, y'all. Mild, so it's a little spicy. Woo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You know what time that is. Spice time. My favorite corn. Let me get a couple bites in, y'all. Y'all know how it is. We know it can get messy. You know, you start off slow, but then you end up speeding up. It's like an old car. Ooh, yeah, baby. A little bit. A little bit. Go on now, Smokey. My cat in here thinking he finna get some, y'all. Ooh, look. Let me build me a graveyard right here. Because my cat down on the floor thinking I'm about to get him some. I'm just throwing away the shells. Try these sausages, these sausages. Get a little lemon. Oh, a nice piece of potato. You know you can go through a whole roll of paper towels, y'all. Got me a little Skittles, sugar-free. I think this the mango. It's good. Oh, that's good. Whew. I love corn, y'all. Oh, I didn't even share. I'm gonna get y'all some. Get some, baby. Oh, yeah. 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 Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Woo. Oh, that's some good stuff. Y'all. Don't forget about the challenge, Check Your Grill. That's sponsored by myself, Mahogany's Palace, and Sincere Team. We're sponsoring a $25 mukbang or whatever you would like to do with it. I mean, it is Valentine's Day. You could treat yourself or somebody else. Do your Check Your Grill challenge, y'all. My funny Valentine. Sweet comic Valentine. Hey, go on, stalker. Valentine's Day will be the day that we announce the winner. And you got until February the 5th to submit your videos. And remember, the winner will win. The most creative of the Check Your Grills challenge will win. But remember, you also have to make sure that you followed all the rules of the challenge. And I encourage you to visit my video or Trudy's video, Sincere Team, to make sure that you got all the rules. Because the person who follows the rules, of course, with the most creative grilled cheeses will win. 2 grilled cheeses, 2 different cheeses on the grilled cheeses, and 2 meats and or vegetables, however you want to mix and match that up. 2 bottles of water, 24 ounces of water if you can't find 2 12-ounce bottles of water. As long as it's 24 ounces at least. Simple. Then once you finish, you call out, check your grills. Check your grills 2 times. So just keep in mind, 2022. Yeah. But don't forget, hurry up and get your videos in. I've been enjoying. Thank you guys who've already submitted your videos. I've been enjoying them. And you guys have been very creative too. Y'all some creative folks out there now. I'm happy. Yeah. Happy to see it. Oh, he thought he wasn't coming out of there. He's coming up out of there.
No!
Sausages. I don't care too much for the skin. It's good, y'all. Those of you who eat this type of stuff, y'all know. Y'all know. Whew. My spice tolerance is low. I used to handle some spice. I don't know what's going on. Do that happen when you get old, y'all? When you get older, wiser. Don't forget to check me out on Monday nights, y'all. Monday, 7 o'clock Central Time. For Mind Open.
Yeah!
It's just a bunch of us getting together and just chatting, talking it up about different topics, different chosen topics. People with different backgrounds as far as work, lifestyle, upbringing, just coming together. Brainstorming, enlightening each other, having fun, laughs, you know. I got a couple videos up already. Check them out. And you can kind of see what I'm talking about, what we doing over here. It's called Mind Openers. Mind Openers every Monday, 7 p.m. Central Time. You should come by and check it out. Make sure you subscribe, that way you get notified, ring that bell.
Yeah!
Woo, my bad, but them shrimp be holding that flavor. Ooh, wee. Yes, 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 that shrimp be holding that flavor. Now, I don't get the crawfish. I substitute the crawfish for and the eggs for corn. Well, actually, I didn't get the one with the crawfish, the one with the eggs. I substituted the eggs for corn. Don't get me wrong, I love me some boiled eggs, but you know, eggs come with a price.
Boom!
No!
I didn't expect that to come out like that. I'm gonna have some of this for later, y'all. Woo. Oh, I'm getting full too, just that quick. Oh, yes, baby, yes, yes. Get y'all some of that. Yes, yes. Put some lemon drops on there. That lemon give it a little shadink-da-dink, you know? Yeah, that lemon give it a little shadink-da-dink. All right. Oh my God. Woo. Woo. If you know, then you know. If you know, then you know. Yes. Baby, have your nails on. Oh, you just stick your nails up in there. These shells be fighting back, y'all.
Come on.
And my teeth ain't what they used to be. They ain't what they used to be. Shit. You know, she make you nervous cracking on these shells with your teeth. With my teeth. Been a lost one. Yeah, been a lost one. Woo. Oh, God damn.
Ah!
Please come on up out of there. Come on. Come on now. Stubborn little thing. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Let's do the twist. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Oh, I got it. That's the farewell. Ain't that about a, ain't that about a blip? It did fell and broke, y'all. Tough is fighting back. Don't want to get 8. We're going to get 8 because that's the best pair. That's the best part. That's the bonus. That's the bonus meat. Don't forget to check out the Check Your Grillz challenge. You can find the rules in my description box at Mahogany's Palace. And also check out Sincere Team's Check Your Grillz challenge. This video is sponsored by Mahogany's Palace and Sincere Team. You also get a chance to win $25. And the winner will be chosen on Valentine's Day. You have to get your, you have to get your challenges in by February the 5th. 2022. Although the challenge, you can continue to do it as long as you like. We appreciate the support. Definitely. Love you guys. Also, every Monday, 7 p.m., Mind Openers. Join me, 7 p.m. Central Time, Mondays, Mind Openers. And be ready to chat, because I'm going to be ready to chat, all right? So, with that being said, who loves you? Queen loves you. Yes, she do. Don't forget, stay gallivanting, audacious, and paralyzing. Okay? Queen is out. Mwah.